Well, well, well. It looks like Taco Tits von Schitzenpants, the orange criminal buffoon, has chickened out once again. Have you heard in recent days that Donald Trump was going to be sending Tomahawk missiles to Ukraine so that Ukraine can use them against Russia? I can't believe that anybody actually believed that, which is why I haven't covered it here, because it was what part of Donald Trump is Vladimir Putin's bitch do people not understand? Do people think that changed? People don't understand the nature of the relationship between Trump and Putin. Now, I don't know the specifics of that relationship, but there clearly is a master and subservient puppet relationship between the two of them, and Donald Trump is clearly Putin's puppet. All right, that is obvious. Remember when Trump